everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore one of the most popular debates about hair. What is the difference between wavy hair and curly hair? Is it straight or is tigers? And which one is easier to maintain? Stay tuned as we break it down in detail. Comparing wavy hair and curly hair, the first difference you will notice is the shape. Let's start with wavy hair. First, the shape. Wavy hair, as the name suggests, has a wave-like texture. The shape spreads from the middle of the hair and runs to the end, but the roots usually stay relatively flat. Depending on the waist size, wavy hair can look loose, natural, but still full of life. Curly hair, on the other hand, is completely different. Curly hair has time. If bright color got sparked from the root and forms spiral or tight points. Little look fuller and have a natural way. Speaking of volume, curly hair tends to grow more horizontally before falling vertically. This means curly hair has taken up more space and looks thicker. Meanwhile, wavy hair doesn't have that same thickness because the roots tend to stay flatter unless you style it a bit. Both wavy hair and curly hair come in different types, which will greatly impact your hair care routine. Let's go over the most common type first. In the Andre Walker hair typing system, hair types are categorized into four main groups: straight, wavy, curly, and curly. Type 1, 2, 3, and 4, respectively. Number 1. Natural wavy hair. Roots start away with a slight bend from the ear down, but the roots stay pretty straight. Number 2. Water wavy. Modified way that start from the midland and continue through to the end, with the shape more notable. Number 3. Deep wavy. Stronger, deeper waves, almost verging on curves, starting from the roots and the flowing a clear shape. For curly hair, there are three main types as well. Number 1. Loose curly, large, very fine curls that can be easily straightened or recurved. Number 2. Deep curly, medium-sized curls that are more spindle and voluminous with natural bones. Number 3. Basically, high stir or coarse, almost density that are dense and create a fuller effect. This style can be difficult to manage, but it is extremely eye-catching. So whether you have wavy and curly hair, both types have their own unique beauty and challenge. Do you know what type of hair you have? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Bye bye!